Hello guys, welcome to Code Free, and today we'll be solving a Leetcode problem. The name of the question is range sum of BST, and the question says that we have been given a root node of a binary search tree, and what we have to do is that we have to return the sum of values of all the nodes whose value lie between the numbers L and R, and L and R here are inclusive. So we have been given a function called range sum BST, and the parameters of it are the node root and the number L and the number R. So this is an easy question and I'll tell you how to approach it. So firstly we'll take a variable called sum and initialize it to 0. Then we'll do an order traversal on the whole route or the whole tree, and if we find a node whose value lies between L and R, and I mean that if the value of the root is greater than or equal to L and at the same time less than or equal to R, then we'll add the current node's value to the sum variable, and then we'll return sum. So I'll implement the code now. Int sum equals 0. We have initialized the sum variable to 0, and then we'll do another traversal on the whole tree. So if root is not equal to null, then we'll do the traversal on the left node of the current root, and then and if the value of the current node is greater than or equal to L, and at the same time if the value is less than or equal to R, then we'll add the value to sum. So I've added, and then we'll again do the traversal on the right node of the current root, and then we'll return the sum. We have to include the parameters L and R as well, and then we'll run the code. So it's working, and lastly we'll submit it. Okay, so it has been accepted, and that's all for today. And if you like the video, please like it and also subscribe my channel.